This is a car repair landing page I just finished. The animations, the illustrations, the code, all of it built with AI in one afternoon. In this video, I'll show you how to build a website like this step by step. We're going to use Seedance 2.0, we'll be working on Higgsfield, and we'll use Claude to put the site together. No theory, no filler. We open the tools, we make the assets, we build the page. Let's get into it. Like I mentioned, we're going to be working on Higgsfield, and if you haven't used it yet, here's the quick version. Higgsfield is the #1 all-in-one AI platform right now. Image, video, audio, all in one place, so you're not jumping between 5 different tools to put one project together. On top of that, you've got Cinema Studio for AI filmmaking, Marketing Studio for ad creatives, and a bunch of other features I'll show you as we go. Link is in the description if you want to follow along. Now, before we start building the actual website, we need the visual assets. For this project, I want to use short animated clips inside the landing page, not just static images. So the first option is very straightforward. We can go directly to Higgsfield, open the video generation section, and generate everything with Seedance 2.0. Here, the panel is very simple. At the top, we can upload media, an image, a video, or even audio, depending on the workflow. Below that, we have the prompt box, where we describe exactly what we want the scene to look like. We can also reference assets using the Elements option, so the model can follow our characters, style, or visual direction more closely. Then we select the model. After that, we can choose the video duration, the aspect ratio, and the output quality. So yes, we could generate the videos directly from this panel, and that would work perfectly fine. But because the final website is going to be built with Claude code, we can make the workflow even smoother. Higgsfield now has an MCP integration, and it became available just a few days ago. This means we can connect Higgsfield directly to Claude, and instead of manually generating every single video from the web interface, we can ask Claude to help us generate the Seedance 2.0 videos and save them locally inside our project folder. As you can see here, Higgsfield MCP can be integrated with several agentic workflows: Claude, OpenClaw, Hermes, and NemoClaw. For this project, we're going to use Claude. First, we select Claude from this list. Then, Higgsfield gives us the MCP URL. We just need to copy this URL. Now we open the Claude desktop app. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it and set it up first. Inside Claude, we go to Customize, then open Connectors. As you can see, I already have Higgsfield connected here, but let me quickly show you the process. We click the plus button to add a new connector. For the name, we can simply write Higgsfield, and then we paste the MCP URL that we copied from Higgsfield. After that, we click Add. Now, Claude can communicate with Higgsfield directly, which means we can ask Claude to generate assets using Higgsfield modals. Now let's prepare the project structure. Before we generate any images, videos, or code, I want the workspace to be organized properly. I have created a new folder called Fixora Auto. It's the name of the car repair service. So inside Claude code, I'll ask Claude to create a simple folder structure for this project. We need one main assets folder, and inside it we'll have 3 folders: images for the final generated image assets, references for things like the logo, character references, and visual style references, and videos, where we'll save the Seedance 2.0 clips. Then we'll also create a separate landing page folder. For now, this folder will stay empty because we're not building the website yet. First, we'll prepare the assets, and after that, we'll move into the actual landing page build. Claude Code has finished the task, and now our project workspace is ready. As you can see, we have the Assets folder with images, references, and videos, and we also have the empty Landing Page folder where we'll build the website later. Now we're ready to create the main visual assets for the website. First, we generate the Fixora Auto logo and save it inside the References folder. Then we use that logo as a reference to create the mechanic uniform, so the uniform follows the same brand colors and style. After that, we use the uniform reference to generate 2 3D animated mechanic characters. One character will be a young mechanic, around 20 years old, friendly and energetic. The second one will be a slightly older, chubby mechanic, more experienced, warm, and a little funny. Both characters should have the same visual style, the same brand identity, and the same uniform direction. And by the way, all the prompts I use in this video will be available in the video description, so you can copy them and follow the same process step by step. Claude has finished the generation process, so now let's quickly check the results. First, let's open the References folder. Here we have the Fixora Auto logo. It looks clean, modern, and fits the car repair brand pretty well, with the wrench symbol, dark blue color, and orange accent. Next, we have the uniform reference. This also works nicely. It follows the same brand colors, includes the logo on the chest, and gives us a clean mechanic outfit that we can use as a consistent reference. Now let's move into the Images folder and check the characters. First, here is the senior mechanic. This one came out really good. He has that friendly, experienced, slightly funny look, and the uniform matches the brand direction. And here is the younger mechanic. He doesn't look exactly 20 or 22 years old, but that's okay for this project. The style is still consistent, he looks friendly, and he works well as a second character for the landing page. Now let's create the first video clip for the website. For this one, I want both mechanics to appear together in the same animation, so I'll use the 2 character images from the Assets/Images folder as references, and I'll ask Claude to generate a 7-second looping video with Seedance 2.0. Both characters are standing on a clean white background. The younger mechanic makes a small idle movement, looks around, and turns slightly toward the older mechanic. The older mechanic smiles, waves at the viewer, and gives the animation a friendly, welcoming feel. Now the video is generated, and honestly, this works really well for the website. The characters feel alive, the motion is simple, and it keeps that clean, animated brand style we need for the landing page. Now we're ready to start building the actual website. For the first version, I'll focus only on the hero section, because this is the part that creates the first impression. We already have the brand assets ready, the logo, the uniform style, and the animated mechanic video. So now I'll ask Claude Code to use these assets and build a clean, modern hero section for Fixora Auto. The section needs a header with the logo, navigation links, and a booking button. Then we need a strong hero banner with a headline, short description, 2 call to action buttons, and the animated mechanics video as the main visual element. Let's run the prompt. Claude Code has finished building the hero section, so now let's check the result. First, let's open the project folder and go into the landing page folder. As you can see, Claude created 3 files for the website: the HTML file, the CSS file, and the JavaScript file. Now let's open the HTML file in the browser and preview the page. And here we have the first version of the Fixora Auto Hero section. Honestly, this looks really good. The layout is clean, modern, and premium. We have the logo at the top, a simple navigation menu, a strong call to action button, and the main hero content on the left. The animated mechanics video is placed on the right side, and it works perfectly inside the design. Now let's keep the website simple and practical for this tutorial. Instead of building a huge landing page, we'll create only 3 sections: Home, Services, and Contact. That's enough to demonstrate the full workflow without making the video too long. The current hero section will be our home section, so we'll update the navigation and keep only these 3 links: Home, Services, and Contact. Next, I also want to prepare 2 more visuals for the rest of the page. The first image will show the junior mechanic standing next to a red Ferrari with the hood open, holding a tablet like he's running diagnostics. The second image will show the senior mechanic holding a mobile phone to his ear, like he's talking to a customer or handling a service call. Claude has finished generating the 2 new images, so let's quickly check the results. We'll open the Images folder again, and here we can see the new visuals. First, we have the junior mechanic with the red Ferrari. This one looks really nice. The car is clean and premium, the hood is open, and the mechanic is holding the tablet, so it clearly feels like he's running diagnostics. The second image is the senior mechanic on the phone. This also works well for the contact section because he looks friendly, professional, and ready to help. Both images still match the same Fixora Auto style, with the same uniform, brand colors, and clean white background, so they should fit nicely into the website. Now we can turn these static images into short videos with Seedance 2.0. For the Ferrari scene, I want a 16:9 animation where the mechanic checks the tablet, looks at the car, and at one moment the headlights turn on. This will make the services section feel more dynamic. For the senior mechanic, I want a simple one-to-one video where he keeps the phone near his ear and talks naturally with small facial and body movements. The video generations are finished, so let's check the results. First, let's open the Ferrari diagnostics video. This one came out really well. The mechanic is holding the tablet, the car hood is open, and the small movement makes the scene feel much more alive. The headlights turning on also adds a nice detail without making the animation too distracting. Now let's check the senior mechanic phone video. This one also works nicely. The phone stays near his ear, the movement is simple and natural, and the character feels friendly and professional. This is exactly the kind of visual that can work well in the contact section. Now we have all the assets ready, so it's time to send the final prompt to Claude Code and complete the website. At this stage, we're asking Claude to add the remaining two sections, Services and Contact. For the Services section, we'll use the Ferrari diagnostics video. It should play continuously on one side, while the other side shows the service list with clean SVG icons and a strong visual layout. For the contact section, we'll use the senior mechanic phone call video, and next to it we'll add the phone number, email, location, working hours, and booking buttons. Now Claude has finished the work, so let's open the project folder, go into the landing page folder, and run the HTML file in the browser. And here is the final website. We have the home section with the animated mechanics video, a clean navigation, strong headline, buttons, and a premium hero layout. Then we have the services section. The Ferrari diagnostics video fits really nicely here, and the service cards make the section feel complete, clear, and professional. And finally, we have the contact section with the senior mechanic video, contact cards, and clear call to action buttons. Overall, this came out really impressive for a simple tutorial project. The website feels modern, clean, cinematic, and visually polished. And the best part is that the whole workflow is very practical. We created the visuals with AI, turned them into videos with Seedance 2.0, and used Claude Code to build the final landing page. So this is how you can combine Seedance 2.0 and Claude to create this kind of animated, modern website much faster. And remember, you can use Seedance 2.0 on Higgsfield directly from the platform or through MCP and CLI workflows if you want a more automated setup. All the important links and prompts I used in this video will be in the description. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what kind of AI website workflow you want to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.